Hello, my name's Sophie Conran. Welcome to my home. And I've got Maker & Son here today with their amazing new collection of rugs. The son in Maker & Son is my son Felix, so I'm very proud and I'd love to show you what we've done. I think a rug can really change a room, and in here we've got this beautiful cream, it's uneven wool, and I think it works really well in this room. It's calm, it works really well with the colours, it makes it very serene, and it's got this lovely texture as well, so it catches the light from the amazing windows. So we're going to go to the sitting room, and here we've got a fantastic jute rug, which is like lovely natural fibres, and it works really well with the log basket. It's got this lovely sort of timeless feel about it. I think it's really important to get the right size rug for the room, and in here we've got a really generous size. I think this is the biggest size that Maker & Son do because it's a nice big room. But yes, you want to sort of use it as a template really to put your furniture on and create that room within a room, and I think yes, works beautifully in here. This is the even loop piled rug, being enjoyed by Mouse and Apollo. I think you can put rugs in lots of different spaces. I think it works really, really well in a space that is normally maybe thought of as a transition space. I mean, I've got a sofa here and people do sit here, especially when I've got a lot of guests in the house. It's a nice little quiet moment. You've got this amazing light coming down from the ceiling, and it kind of reflects the light up as well from here. So we're going upstairs. We're going into the round room, which is the most incredible room because it's got a curved door and this kind of oval shape. And what we've done in here is we've got a beautiful beige, even loop rug, and its soft colours really work beautifully in here. So what I particularly love about these rugs is they feel amazing underfoot. They've got a lovely sponginess, and you know, in a bedroom you're often walking around barefoot, so it's nice to have that comforting feeling underneath you. Everything that they make is made of sustainable materials, using sustainable processes. It's all natural, it's all biodegradable, so they're made with care, they're made with love, and they're just totally beautiful.